Hi guys, I'm commenting on the dead birds and the dead fish. I want to show you my theory of BP, why they shouldn't have did what they did, and why I think the government is plainly lying to us. It's a great thing about America. You got freedom of speech. I want to show you two things, and I hope you that you also stand with me and blame BP. Only got 10 minutes, so I got to make this quick. I want to show you this. All right, that's part one. Now I want to comment. The stuff they injected, this release agent, basically encapsulates the oil so it can disperse. And it disperses in two ways, either by air plumes, by the air taking it, or it just dissipating all through the ocean. So fish and wildlife and everything can eat it or smell it. Okay? Now you know about birds. They This is where I don't like. They'll say the birds are dying from trauma. Well, let me ask you a question. You went on an airplane, asked the bed to either fly at 50 feet or 200 feet. You jump out without a parachute. You hit the ground. You die. You died of trauma. Same thing as birds. All right, I want to show you one interesting thing. You saw where the plume was going and everything else like this. I just want to show you one other thing why I think they're lying to us. What is this? This is dozens of fish dying. Remember where that plume was? And it was going, all right? Tens of thousands of fish. We got birds, 70 bats. Well, the plume was right here. What happens if the air takes it and it goes here, goes all through here, goes that way? It's amazing, huh? I just hope that something fuel to think about. That plume, where it went, where it was going. Okay. And they said it's only to one type of bird. Wonder why we're not hearing about this anymore. Please do. Think about this. Do what I'm doing. Remember that plume, guys? Where it was going, where it was headed? Amazing. I'm just getting tired of getting lied to, guys. I hope you're watching this. Really don't know what to say. But BP, and it's strange that most of it, guys, right, is close to the water. It's amazing of that, isn't it? That it's close to the water on foreign countries. Didn't hit the air yet. But it will. This will be happening, guys, for the next 200 years. But look at the main concentration. Main concentration is the U.S. Remember that oil spill? And we wrapped right around here? Just amazing. Just purely amazing. Just my thoughts. My thoughts only. You can go on the website and do what I'm doing. Look at BP's oil spill. Look up why other countries outlawed that release agent. Look that up. Find out why they stopped that release agent. We should never allowed it. But yet, what is it? Anyway, I had a thought and I lost it. Anyway, guys, this is my thought only. But look at all tens of thousands. Look at all that stuff. I can keep on scrolling down. Keep on scrolling down. I hope you're getting mad as I am. Alright, guys, take care.